28 September 2017, 4:00 p.m. The Met Office has issued a weather warning for heavy and persistent rain for Cumbria on Sunday, the day when thousands are due in Carlisle for the Great Cumbrian Run and its Family Fun Run. Spells of heavy and persistent rain are expected over some areas of western and northern Britain, accompanied by strong winds at times. Forecasters have been predicting that the UK would see the tail end of hurricanes that have been in the Atlantic. The Met Office early yellow warning for rain also states there is a small chance that homes and businesses could be flooded, causing damage to some buildings, and that some communities could become cut off by flooded roads. Subsequent flooding could also hit train and bus services too, while spray and flooding could lead to difficult driving conditions, the warning says. There is a small chance of fast-flowing water or deep floodwater causing danger to life, it adds. In addition, strong winds may be an additional hazard at times, with a slight chance of trees falling, power cuts, and loss of other services to homes and businesses. Heavy rain is likely to reach western Britain later on Saturday, according to forecasters. It is likely to become prolonged by the early hours of Sunday and clear later in the day. Many places, particularly high ground, will see 25–50 millimeters of rain. Up to 100 millimeters could fall over upland parts and areas where the rain is prolonged. Exactly where that will be remains uncertain for now. The Met Office's warning covers Sunday and continues through until 6 p.m. on Monday.